Hey Mount Tipton, how's it going? Ricardo Valerdi here from Science of Sport. I want to walk you through the items that are in your STEM goodie bag and explain to you how some of these apply to the lessons in the Science of Baseball curriculum. So first and foremost, you have a nice ruler that you can do measurements in centimeters or inches, however you like. So a lot of applicability to geometry there. You also have a stack of baseball cards. And what's cool about these is that they all have statistics in the back and they apply really nicely to the statistics lessons, but you can also use them for the reaction time lesson and catching those cards. You've also got a little box here of sidewalk chalk that can help you with drawing either the strike zone or the geometry of the field on some surface, that asphalt, concrete, that sort of thing. Then you've got a variety of balls, like you've got a wiffle ball, you've got a baseball foam ball that actually is like a slingshot and can be launched like this. Then you've got another foam baseball, a tennis ball, and of course a proper baseball. And all of these can be used for the elasticity lesson as well. You can try pitching them, but you can also try dropping them from a certain surface and see how high they bounce. Oh, forgot, we also have a golf ball, which can work for that same lesson as well on elasticity. Then you've got a little tape measure that's retractable as well, and this is in inches and centimeters depending on which side you're looking at. And then you've got a single die, six-sided die for the statistics lesson, a D-backs Science of Baseball sticker, and of course an inflatable beach ball that you can use to throw, and as you spin it you'll see the effects of aerodynamics on the direction that you're spinning and throwing the baseball. We hope that you and your students enjoy these items. I think it'll be a lot of fun as you take these outside and actually apply the lessons from the Science of Baseball curriculum. Thanks.